just ordered 2 poppets. I hope they come soon. Ding dong. Package for Rock Queen. Oh, here it is. Thank you. Got 2 poppets. I'm so excited. What should I open first? The heart one or the rainbow one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its tail. If you holler, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, rainbow. I guess best for last. Whoa. I never opened a poppet before. Well, a bunch of my friends have. I haven't. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at it. All my friends will be so jealous. So pretty. Okay, now this heart one. Get out. Get out of there. You know what's... Whoa. And do you hear that sound? I love it. Oh, when accidentally popped up. Okay, now for the best part. This is the best one. Okay, 3, 2. OMG. Well, I guess my favorite would have to be the heart one. Anyways, I'll get my friends. I'll be right back. Hey, is anyone here? Anyone? Oh, City Babe, Major Queen. I just got 2 new poppets. Do you want to see them? Yes. We would love to see them. Okay, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Okay, we're here. What's up, girl? Sit down, sit down. Okay. Now, look behind you. What? Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Yes, girl. Well, I bought 2 other poppets for you guys. I'll go get them. Are you ready, you guys? You ready for your 2 new poppets? All right. A strawberry and a heart. Oh my gosh, these are for us? Yes. City Babe, which one do you want? The pink heart, please. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, well, I guess this is for you, Major Queen. Oh my gosh, I literally love it, girl. I'll play with my fidgets. My birthday's coming up, you guys. Really? When is it? Well, it's actually... How could I forget my birthday? It's July 20th. Finally, I remembered. Yeah, it's July 20th. Okay. So, what do you like? Yeah, I really like fidgets, pretty much. Alright, I got it. I got it. Yep, we all got it. Alright, well, I guess you guys should go now. Yeah, I guess you're right. Well, we're taking these because these are ours now. Bye, guys. Bye. Love you. I think the only people I should invite is them because they're really my only best friends. And they're really nice to me and stuff. So I think they should be only one invited. Well, I'll wake up when it's my birthday. That's how excited I am. Is it my birthday? What? It's still the next day? Oh, her birthday came up. It's my birthday. I forgot to invite my friends. Oh, okay. Major Queen and Bob City, please come today. What if they can't come? I'm so sad. What if they can't come? I'm so sad. What if they forgot about my birthday? I forgot to invite them on time. I was too excited. I forgot. What am I gonna do? What if they don't come? And I just... it's my birthday. What if they forget? I just can't concentrate. I guess we'll just wait for them to come. What's that sound? Happy birthday! Oh my gosh! Here you go. Oh my gosh, thank you! No problem. Come on, get them. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my gosh, you got me an infinity cube? I love these. Well, you told us you loved fidgets. Thank you, guys. A squishy? Thanks. And a unicorn squishy cake. You guys are the best. And a heart dimple. Thank you, guys. No problem. Get the last one. Oh my gosh, and you guys know I love space. That's my second best thing after gymnastics. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love you guys. No problem, girl. Now let's party. Yeah, but before we do that, I'm going to do a flip over all of my fidgets. You ready? 3, 2. Woo! Good job. Now do front. Whoa! Yeah. Well, let's not just do this at your house. Let's go somewhere you like. Where do you want to go? How about for breakfast we go to Starbucks? Yes, girl. This will be so much fun. What are you going to get? I'm probably getting iced tea. I don't know what I'm going to get. Ah!